We have discussed chapter 9 in last class. Now we discuss chapter 9, heating and cooling of atmosphere. There are the different way of the heating and the cooling of the atmosphere. The earth, after being heated by and insulation transmit the heat to the atmosphere layer near the earth of long way from the air in contact with the land get heated slowly and the upper layer in the constant with the lower layer also get the heated. This process is called the condensation. Condensation takes place with the two body of unequal temperature are in contact with the another. There is a flow of energy from the वार्मर टू कूलर बॉडी। ये दो चीजों के बीच में टेम्परेचर का है। एक चीज जो गर्म है जब वो दूसरी चीज ठंडी चीज उसके संपर्क में आती तब उसमें से हीट का ट्रांसफर होना शुरू होता है और ये तब तक चलता है जब तक कि दोनों बॉडीज का टेम्परेचर सिमिलर नहीं होता। Until both of the body attain the same temperature of the contact is broken. Conduction is important in heating lower layer of the atmosphere. The air is contact with the earth rise vertically on the heating in the form of the carry the future transmission the heat of the atmosphere. This process of virtual heating of the atmosphere is known as the conventional. The connectivity transfer of energy is confirmed only on the troposphere. The transfer of the heat through the horizontal movement of the air is called the advection. Horizontally movement of the air is relatively more important than the vertical movement. In the middle latitude, most of the diurnal day and the night variation is daily weather are caused by the advection along in the tropical region. Particularly in the northern India, during summer season, a local wind called is the Loo is outcome of advection process. Terrestrial radiation. The insolation received of the earth in the way from the heat of the surface. The earth after being heated itself became a radiating body of and the radiate energy to the atmosphere in the long way from the energy heat of the atmosphere from below. This process is known as the terrestrial radiation. The long way radiation is obstructed by the atmosphere gases, particularly by the carbon dioxide and the other greenhouse effect gas. Thus the atmosphere is indirectly heated by the earth radiation. The atmosphere in the turn radiate and the transmit heat to the space. Finally, the amount of heat received from the sun is returned to the space, thereby the maintaining constant temperature of the earth's surface and in the atmosphere. Now we discuss about the heat budget of the planet Earth. The heat budget of the planet Earth, the Earth is the whole does not accumulated the losses heat in the maintain its temperature. This can be happen only if the amount of heat received in the form of the insolation equal or almost by the Earth through translation radiation. देखिए दिन भर में अर्थ जितना भी सूरज से हीट को लेती है जो उसे मिलता है, शाम होने के बाद में वो सारा का सारा हीट अर्थ रेडिएशन के द्वारा वापस से स्पेस में भेज देती है, तो उसका बैलेंस बना रहता है। उससे ना तो अर्थ बहुत ज्यादा गर्म होती है और ना ही बहुत ज्यादा ठंडी, उसका टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रहता है। Consider that the insolation received at the top of the atmosphere is the first 100%. While the passing through the atmosphere, some amount of energy is reflected, excreted, and absorbed. Only the remaining part of reach the Earth's surface. Roughly 25 to 35 units are reflected back to the space even before the reaching on the Earth's surface. On the 27 units are preferred back from the top of the clouds and 2 units from the slope and the ice covered area of the Earth. The reflected amount of the radiation is called the albedo of the Earth. The remaining 65% unit are absorbed. 14 units were within the atmosphere and the 51 unit by the Earth's surface. The Earth radiate back 51 unit in the form of the translation radiation of course the 17 unit are radiated to space directly and the remaining 34 unit are absorbed by the atmosphere, 6 unit absorbed directly by the atmosphere, 9 unit through the convection and the turbulence and the 19 unit through land heat of the conditional. 48 unit absorbed by the atmosphere, 14 units from the isolation, 34 units from the translation radiation are also radiate back into the space. Thus the total radiation returning from the Earth and the atmosphere electricity is the 17 plus 48 is equal to 65 unit, which balance the total of the 65 received from the sun. This frightened this is termed the heat budget of heat balance of the Earth. The explained by the Earth neither warm up or nor cool down despite the huge transfer of the heat and the taken place. Variation in the net heat budget in the Earth's surface and the expanded earlier, there are the variation in the amount of the radiation received at the Earth's surface. Some part of the Earth has surplus radiation balance while the other part has deflect. Despite the latitude variation in the net radiation balance in the Earth, the atmosphere system of the figure shows that there is a surplus of the net radiation balance between the 40 degree north and the south and the region near the pole have the deflect. The surplus heat energy from the tropics is redirected poleward and as a result the tropics do not get progressively heated up due to the accumulation of the excess heat, or the high latitude get the permanently frozen due to the excess deflect. Factor conditional temperature. The interaction of the insulation with the atmosphere in the Earth surface create heat with the measured in terms of the temperature. While heat represents the molecular movement of the particles compressing a substance, the temperature is the measurement in degrees to how hot or cold a thing. Factor controlling the temperature distribution. देखिए पूरे अर्थ के ऊपर टेम्परेचर एक जैसा नहीं होता, इसको कुछ फैक्टर रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद या कंट्रोल करते हैं, उनके बारे में अपन बात करें. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द एयर at any place is the influenced by the latitude of the place, the altitude of the place, the distance from the sea, the air mass circulation, or the process of warm and the cold ocean current or local etc. So first we discuss the latitude. The temperature of the surface or place depend on the insolation received. It is been the expanded earlier that the insolation variety according to the latitude, hence the temperature also vary accordingly. The altitude. The atmosphere is indirectly heated by the transverse radiation from the globe. Therefore, the place near the sea level receive high temperature than the place situated at the high elevation. In the other words, the temperature generally decreasing with the increasing height. The rate of decreasing of the temperature height is the term as the normally lapse rate of the 6.5% per किलोमीटर. जैसे ही अपन अर्थ सरफेस से ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं, जैसे मान लीजिए ये अपना अर्थ सरफेस है, अर्थ सरफेस से अपन जैसे ही ऊपर जाएंगे तो हर 1 किलोमीटर के ऊपर टेम्परेचर 6.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस डिक्रीज हो जाता है, घट जाता है. जैसे मान लीजिए यहाँ का टेम्परेचर 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस है तो यहाँ का टेम्परेचर हो जाएगा 19.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस घट के. तो हर 1 किलोमीटर पे टेम्परेचर 6.5 सेल्सियस घटता है. डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी. Another factor that the influence of the temperature is located of the place with the respect of the sea compared to the land. The sea get the heated slowly and the loss heat slowly. Land heat up the cool down quickly. Therefore, the variation in temperature over the sea is less compared to the land. The place situated near the sea come under the moderating influence in the sea and the land breeze with the moderate at the temperature. Air mass. Current. Air mass and the ocean current. Like the land and the sea breeze, the passing the air mass also affect the temperature. The place which come under the influence of the warm air masses experience the higher temperature and the place that come under the influence of the cold air mass experiences the low temperature. Similarly, the place located on the coast where the warm ocean current flow record higher temperature than the place located on the coast where the cold current is flow.